First of all, my name is Simione Kuruvoli. I'm 24 years old. Here from the beautiful island of Kandavu, Nambolo Ono. Yeah, my rugby journey started from when I was in primary school. Yeah, 11 and 12. I used to just play soccer growing up, but then I made the switch to play rugby in 2011 and 12. After that, I went up to Lelin Memorial School, did a bit of Dean's competition, and went up to Kives 2017 to finish my studies in high school there. From there, then I got a call from the academy HPU to join them, and from there I just did all the hard yards, and here I am now. I played soccer just to improve my kicking and some skills. Then my grandfather told me to make the switch, maybe just try rugby. Then the rest is history. Yes, I did a bit of judo and played a little bit of AFL growing up. Firstly, I'll just say the struggles I went through is just financially. I lived with my grandparents growing up, and then I told myself that I'll wear the white jersey one day, and just as you can see, I just played from the World Cup just recently, and from there I'm just paying back to my grandparents what they got. Every time we go out on the field, sing the national anthem, I know just the thing just going around my head is just my family. Firstly, my son, and yeah, first it's all about family. They put all on the hard work, all the struggles, all the sacrifice they do to do what I do best in the field. And secondly, all the people around the villages that don't have electricity and network, they carry their generators up to the hills just to watch the game and support the boys. Yeah. Growing up, my uncle played for there's two of my uncles. One played for Fiji Warriors, and the other one played for Fiji Bati. Growing up, seeing them don the white jersey gave me a boost to maybe go past them and don the first to don the Flying Fijians jersey. Yeah, that's all part of the plan. Playing for Drua now, just to prep my body, mind and soul to play for Fiji. Just my message to the young boys out there, just if you know you have a talent, just make good use of it and choose your friends wisely. Don't fall peer pressures.